guys, thank you for watching Travelin' with Jay. I was getting lot of comments and suggestions to make videos on cryptocurrencies. So how I can deny that? I am here with a new video on cryptocurrency. So in this video you will see what is cryptocurrency, what is cryptography, what is the history behind cryptocurrencies, the advantages, disadvantages. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you're new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I am Janita and I post videos related to finance, travel and education. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my future videos. Let us see what Google says about cryptocurrency. Crypto is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange wherein individual coin ownership records are stored in a ledger existing in a form of computerized database using strong cryptography to secure transactions, record to control the creation of additional coins and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. So yes, crypto is a digital cash, which means it does not exist in physical form like we have paper money. It is a medium of exchange. Let me explain you with an example. In this example, there are two friends. One is Raj and one is Rahul. So Raj is in India who wants to send money to Rahul who is in United States. What happens in normal transaction? What Raj will do? Raj will visit his bank. He will give Rahul's account number and other details to the bank. So what bank will do? Bank will verify the account details of the receiver and the sender, and then taking some transaction amount from Raj, bank will transfer the amount to Rahul's account. This is how it works in normal transaction. Now let's see what happens in crypto. You might have heard about a lot of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. There are n numbers of cryptocurrencies. So let's see the same example in cryptocurrency transaction. So in cryptocurrency, what Raj will do, Raj will directly send money to Rahul in the form of any cryptocurrency that he has. So in this, there is no intermediary like we have bank right now. So there is no transaction fees. So this is a direct and simple transaction between the sender and the receiver using strong cryptography to record transactions smoothly. So let us see what is cryptography. Cryptography is a process of converting ordinary plain text into a secure format. This process is known as encryption. You know, in WhatsApp you might have seen when you open a new conversation, it says messages are encrypted. This is a method of storing and transmitting data in a form so that only for those whom it is intended can read and process it. A basic example of cryptography is an encrypted message in which letters are replaced with other characters. So let's see how cryptography works between a sender and receiver. Plain text that is readable format is first encrypted into ciphertext that is not readable format, and then it is decrypted by the receiver into plain format that is readable format. In 2009, an anonymous person or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto developed the first decentralized cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin. Satoshi Nakamoto is the one who invented Bitcoin, implemented the first blockchain and deployed the first digital decentralized currency. Why is it called decentralized? Because we do not have anyone to monitor these transactions like we had bank in Raj and Rahul's transaction. Nakamoto was active in development of Bitcoin up until December 2010. In April 2011, Namecoin was created, and soon after October 2011, Litecoin was released. And now you know there are n numbers of cryptocurrencies available in the crypto market. Now let us see the advantages and disadvantages of cryptocurrency. So the first advantage in the list is fund transfer are easy between two parties as there is no third party involved like we have banks right now. It is a cheaper alternative as compared to other online transactions. Third advantage is payment are safe and secured. Fourth on the advantage list is fund transfers are completed with minimal processing fees. And fifth is it is very fast as it takes hardly seconds or less than a minute to get the transactions completed. The first disadvantage is the hidden nature of cryptocurrency makes it the focus of illegal activities. Second disadvantage is that once the payment is done, it cannot be reversed. It is irreversible. So once the payment is gone, it's gone. Last on the list is cryptocurrencies are not accepted everywhere, so they have limited value. Now we are at the last segment of the video to answer the most important question of the day, that is it legal in India? So the answer is yes, it is legal in India. You can buy, sell and trade in cryptocurrencies. However, we cannot buy anything out of cryptocurrencies. For example, if I want to buy a car, I cannot go to the dealer and say I will pay you through Bitcoin and get a car. So do you understand? We cannot buy anything of cryptocurrency, but we can definitely trade in cryptocurrency. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you find this information useful. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Travelin with Jay. I will see you soon with more videos on cryptocurrencies. So do hit the bell icon so that you get notification for the next video.